everyone, Sylwia here, and welcome guys to my affiliate AI review. Well, I have just happened to finish going through this training course by, James Renouf and David Espino. Okay, cool training course, guys, and to cut it straight to the point, is a training course about creating faceless videos, okay, to do with shooting reviews on various products, mainly physical products, okay. Now, this training course is super interesting and it has a great potential in it. And as I was going through this training course, I was thinking, like, why in the world am I not doing it yet, right? I've had this YouTube channel for 2 years now. Mind you, I do mainly digital products reviews, but there is so much potential in reviewing physical products from Amazon. Amazon is probably the best platform out there. Now, you'd say the downside of reviewing physical products is the low commissions, and Amazon pays you anything from what? 3, 4, 5% up to 10%, depending on how depending on your score as an affiliate, depending on specific products, or depends on the vendors and stuff like that. Okay, many factors that will be important here. But hey, Amazon is the trusted platform, so you get the volume. Okay, maybe the commissions are not high, but people do buy from Amazon because they trust Amazon. So let's say you promote something that will sell for $500 or even $100, okay, and you get 10% out of it. That is, it is true, it's only $5, but $5 multiplied by 1,000, okay, that's $500, I think, right? You know what I mean? So, and I was like, okay, as I was going through this training course, because, well, I'll show you everything because, okay, I happen to be on the sales page of this product, but here I have this whole training, okay, it's like it's a PDF, but there are videos, okay, here, a bunch of videos, okay, not too long, to the point videos, but loaded with information, okay, so it's kind of like 2 parts to it, guys, and the videos are like, sort of like unlisted on YouTube. So these 2 guys, obviously James Renouf, and, I forgot to mention this product launched just today, okay, on the 30th of April. So, James and David, they're doing like sort of like the first part of the course, so an introduction, okay, but then the second part of the course is done by this guy, John, okay, and they took his example, okay, so, and then like the upsells are to do with him, they did like this exclusive interview with him. That's what part of the I think upsell number 1, okay, where he exposes all of his secrets, how he has smashed it, because that's the money he has made on Amazon as an Amazon associate, okay, $300,000, okay, in just over a year, okay, that's really like very, very super impressive. And the way he shows, the way he does his reviews, and there are faceless reviews, short reviews. You can, if you make them shorter than 1 minute, like maximum 1 minute, okay, you can publish them as YouTube shorts, as, and repurpose them and post them on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. So, your stuff can really go viral. Okay, so he promotes physical products, and I mean, the videos are very like well packed, compact, okay, very concise information, but he shares tons of very important information, this guy John, okay. So these 2 smart guys, James and David, are always like on a hunt for people who make it, who succeed, and they interview them. They want to find out how they've done it, and they test the method themselves. So that's what David has done. He has always tested the method himself about making these short reviews about anything you have around the house. And guys, this is the insane thing, okay? That's why I said, like, why am I not doing this myself? I mean, I have so many cool things around the house. I'm sort of like a health freak. Okay, I have this and that. For example, like this. Check this out. Okay, this is like a, and I could review it. Okay, I bought it for like just under $100, and I use it myself. I love it all the time. This is like a machine gun. Okay, and why did I not review it yet? Right? It's amazing. Or, for example, what else do I have? I have this. This is like a spiky sort of pillow. It's for like, sort of like, it's all natural material. This is linen. This is like also made of, this is not plastic, by the way. It's a natural material as well. So I could, you know, describe all of the details using AI, because they show you how to use the AI to write the review for you, and you can basically, like, you know, do it with your phone. You know, you can do it with your phone. You can record, okay, video, whatever you are reviewing, and you can have, there are those, what you call them, I'll show you inside of the members area. It's just, you know, it's on the tip of my tongue, but there is this app that actually shows you on your phone while you're recording what you have to say. How easy can it, can't get any more simple than that. Okay, so this is what you can do, and I'm just thinking, why am I not doing it myself? So yeah, amazing course that has really inspired me to, you know, embark on a like sort of new journey. Okay guys, so let me show you and I mean, let me just check out the sales page. So here, like, let's just go through the headlines. They say, like, these quick and easy faceless videos make John, so that guy that, you know, that does sort of like the second part of the training course, make 300,000 a year in pure passive income. Okay, so guys, if you wish to check out the sales page for yourselves, click the link below my review. It's going to take you to the sales page, and I'm going to give you some cool, very, very cool bonuses, which are, I'm telling you, they're going to go hand in hand with this training course. Why do I know it? Because I've watched all of the training, and I have spotted some things that I've thought would be beneficial for you to have to sort of complement this training course. I'll discuss my bonuses later, so stay tuned for that. And back to the sales page, go check it out, yeah, for yourself, because it's a cool sales page here. Like, James and David talk about this product, so listen to this video. And yeah, I mean, they don't really beat around the bush. They said, and the price of it is like just under $12 for now. It has just launched, and they say this guy John has made $50,000 from a product review of a mouthwash. Okay, something as trivial as that. And that's the thing. Once you have posted your video on your, I don't know, TikTok, social media, with those reels, on YouTube. I mean, YouTube is, I mean, the number one, or shall I say number two after Google, most frequently used search engine. So once you've posted your reviews, they are there. Okay, and people will be searching for product reviews over and over and over again. So, and there's gonna be a review waiting for the buyers to buy via your affiliate link. And here's some like testimonials. I like this one. This course is so easy, I even recommend it to my own mother. It is really easy, it's easy to follow, and it's cool stuff, trust me. Okay, I've watched all of it, and I was fascinated by this training course. Yeah, and they say, like, I mean, much more that they like mention here. I want to show you the product, guys. You can check out the sales page for yourself. So the product is gonna look something like this. Okay, so you will have it in a PDF version, but there will be videos embedded to it. So here they send you to the upgrades. Now, once you've bought the product, you will be presented with the upsells. So watch the sales pages of the upsells. Okay, I don't have much information of the upsells. I will show you what upsells you will have available, but as to check out the details, you will have to go through the sales pages of the upsells carefully, because some of the upsells I thought they were pretty cool. Okay, I did like take a sneak peek into the upsells, but not much information is available for the affiliates here. Yeah, but I know that the upsell number one is this cool interview with John, the guy who's being interviewed here, and his example was being taken to put this training course together, okay, and his success story. Right, so they're hosted on YouTube as unlisted because it obviously saves them money. I like the way they do it. It's very smart. Now you'll have to just click on this video and you will have them. You will be taken to YouTube. As you can see, it's unlisted. Okay. So now the video number 1, 2, and 3 are by James and David, and then here is the thing, very, very cool thing. If you click here, they will here recommend those apps I was talking about, that you can record the video and see the script of what you're gonna say on your phone at the same time as you are recording. So it's not recording your face, it's recording the product you are reviewing, and you don't even have to think about what you're gonna say. Plus they show you this free plugin, not a plugin, a Chrome extension, a free Chrome extension that you will connect with ChatGPT, okay, that will write those reviews. You will just have to go to decide what product, for example, on Amazon you want to review, and take the details, the title from Amazon and the description, place it into that Chrome extension, and it's going to create a review for you in seconds with a few paragraphs, because it's really like a few paragraphs that you need, especially for short videos, right? And I was thinking like, wow, does it get easier than that? Does it get easier than that? You just have to apply it. You just have to do it. Set up a YouTube channel, and with my bonuses, I help you how to optimize and customize your YouTube channel as well. So, you have no excuses, guys. Yeah. And then what else do they? Okay. Now, in the second part of the review, you'll have the videos by John. Okay. So this guy here, his name is John. Very cool guy. I mean, he clearly knows what he is talking about. I so enjoyed listening to the videos, he's done. And those videos will be on a few videos on everything you need to know to crash it. Okay. As an Amazon associate. Okay. But, Amazon is just one example of a platform. There are various platforms where you can take products from to review, including obviously digital products, right? I was gonna actually say physical products. So yeah, and then he will have like those checklists for you where you can click here and download those checklists. So important. And then like for social media channels checklists as well, because he says like, don't limit yourself to YouTube only. Repurpose your especially short videos, post them on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and stuff, right? And as YouTube shorts. And as you can see, you have all of even in the last video number 6, he shows you how to later on, as you've become sort of like quite established already and you want to save time by outsourcing some stuff to freelancers, and I think he gives you an example of a platform of like how to do it on, what was it? The platform, it wasn't freelancer.com, it wasn't Fiverr, it was Upwork, on Upwork, okay? So yeah, cool stuff. That's all really, guys. And now let me show you the upsells. So there will be a few upsells, and as I thought some of, especially the upsell number 1, I was like, I would be interested to get it because this interview sounds epic. Okay, so here's the prices. So the front end $11.54 for now, and then there will be like a bump of $1 for the first 3 days, and then monthly you'd be paying $19 if you want to continue this newsletter. Then upsell number 1, which I thought was great, is for $49. There will be another upsell number 2, $49, upsell number 3, $49 as well, upsell number 5, $29, and then there's gonna be another, oh, they put upsell number 4 at the end after the upsell number 5, weird. But anyhow, this one is 97. Okay, guys, unfortunately, I do not have more information on the upsells. Sorry about that, but I don't. So, you know, it is what it is. Now, once you've bought the front end, you will be presented with the upsells, with the sales pages. So read through, take what you want, leave what you don't want. Now, on my bonuses, guys. Okay, so apart from amazing, splendid training courses on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing, and these training courses kickstarted my affiliate marketing journey in a way that I am truly making commissions on a regular basis. Okay, so amazing training courses with a fantastic vendor. You're in good hands with him. Okay, his name is Tim Michaels. Now, if you decide to buy any of the upsells, I am happy to connect with you guys. Let's schedule a 15-minute call via Facebook, whatever. We can do FaceTime, okay, or you can chat with me, and we can discuss these courses or simply to connect, okay? Or you can ask me anything you want to do with regards to setting up a YouTube channel or maybe affiliate marketing, okay? Additionally, just on top of the front end, you picking up just the front end from me via the link below my review, I have this bonus page, this bonus on YouTube channel customization. It's a tutorial, you know, done by me, okay, how to customize and optimize for ranking, okay, and for SEO, because if your channel is not optimized, you can forget about ranking, okay, and that's the most important thing to do. And I thought this would really complement this training course nicely, because this guy from this training course, John, okay, he talks a little bit about how to do this and that on YouTube, on your YouTube channel, but not deeply enough, okay? In this tutorial, I go in depth, and let me show you which tutorial I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the tutorial. Now, it's about half an hour long. Right? And then I have another tutorial on how to make, how I make thumbnails using Canva. Now, guys, these two bonuses I have originally prepared for this training course I promoted called affiliating. So you will be hearing me say, thank you so much for picking up affiliating via my link, and here are the bonuses, okay? Now, I have never used these bonuses again, apart from when I promoted affiliating, another amazing training course that I will always recommend by Gary Baker, okay, and that was quite a while ago when I prepared those bonuses, and I never used them again because I didn't find the product suitable enough to give you the bonuses with, okay, these bonuses with, but I felt as I was going through this training course, I was thinking, okay, I have to reuse those bonuses because they will go hand in hand with this, affiliate AI training course. So guys, that's it. Okay. I think you will love this training course. I certainly did. And this is a method I will be using myself, and I truly got inspired by this training course. Not only inspired, but empowered with all the info I got from it. So I think you will love it too. So go get it and crush it with this method. All right, love you and leave you, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.